Hi, namaste to you. My name is Sandeep Patil. I'm an English communication coach. I help my students to overcome the fear, the anxiety of speaking fluently in English, to go on the stage, deliver talks. I help them for interviews and group discussions. And though I'm a PhD in engineering, I'm passionate about all these things because the stage was there in my life when I was horrible in these things. To be very frank with you, I'm from Marathi medium. I was not good in English. I was humiliated many a times while talking, and I was emotionally also weak. And this is the reason why today I work on English communication, developing emotional personality, mental strength. I work on confidence. I work on public speaking. Everything I work on. Before moving ahead in this session, let me tell you something very important. A story about my life, which you will understand. You will realize that I come from the same background which you come from. I have also gone through the same problems which you are going through right now. I know that you get stuck. I know that you forget words. I know that you can't speak more than 10, 15 minutes, maybe more than 5 minutes also. I know that you are working on grammar and thinking that it will help you. I was also of the same opinion, but I changed myself, and I today, whatever I am, it's because of one incident that happened in my life. It was the year 2000. I went to one hotel in Sangli itself, and that lady greeted me in English. She said that, "Good morning, sir. How can I help you?" I guess, maybe 22 or 23 at that time. And I was taken aback. I was frozen because in Sangli, no one speaks in English. And during those days, impossible. But she spoke in English with me, and I was flabbergasted. I couldn't speak. I was dumbfounded, blank, black, frozen, and I was humiliated. I came out and I was hurt. I thought, oh my God, look at me. I'm a mechanical engineer. I'm educated and I'm not able to communicate in English, simple English. That motivated me to build my English, and today I'm here in front of you. I'm helping my students to be good communicators. It should hurt you. It hurt me. Does it hurt you? Does it hurt you when someone humiliates you, or you feel humiliated because of your English? Do you feel like my English is not good? I have to work. Do you feel like this? Then this channel is for you. This place, Dr. Sandeep Patil channel will help you authentically. It will take you maybe 1 year, 2 years, 3 years. Don't give up. Yes, you heard right. Even on we take online training sessions live. I have sessions live, no recorded courses. I train live to my students, and these courses are for 1 year and 2 years. They are not short-term 21-day courses or downloadable courses. If you are interested, you can join that. Come on, let us see and let us understand how to read actually. See what happens many a times. We don't know that communication skill is all about reading. You have to be a good reader. You have to be a regular reader. But we don't know how to select news. We don't know the vocabulary, how it is used. And this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to help you to read. I'm going to help you to understand the news. I'm going to help you to understand how and which news to select. And this is what I'm going to do. Let us move forward. Now, here is the news which I have selected for you. This is the news. Why I have selected this news? I select news very carefully. The reason behind selecting this news is this is a news which is connected with everyday life about the temperature. Coldest morning, it's simple, and this news I have read, they are using the words which we really need in everyday conversation. So this is the reason why I have selected this news. Let us come here and let us start. I will read for you, and you have to understand how the words are used. Nashik city recorded the season's coldest morning on Tuesday, with the minimum temperature dipping to 14 degrees Celsius. Dipping means to come down, that is dip. Dip in the temperature. Dip has another meaning, that is to take a biscuit and dip in the tea and eat it. That is dip. This meaning is different. Let us move ahead. Prior to this, see the word prior means before. Before this, the season's lowest temperature was recorded on November 17th, when the mercury had dropped to 14.3 degrees Celsius. Prior. Okay, now the temperature dropped. So here the temperature dropped by 2.2 degrees on Tuesday morning. There was a chill in the air even on Monday night, and people pulled out their woolens, said a senior officer from the Indian Meteorological Department at the Nashik Observatory. So the temperature dropped by 2 degrees, and what people did is they pulled out their woolens. Woolens means sweaters and caps. Ooh, I hope the same thing is happening with you in India, everywhere. If you're from North India, I can understand that it is too cold. Delhi, oh, very cold. So how they are using? See, they pulled out their woolens, and as well as chill in the air. Chill. Chill means what? The cold. It was cold in the air. Chill in the air. You can use the word chill also, like, hey, chill, don't worry, chill. But here the meaning of chill is cold. You can even say that, chill this juice. Chill it. Chilled. Okay, let's move forward. Hope you can see. Let me check in the camera. Yes, you can see. Nashik's minimum temperature had been, see the word, new word, hovering. Okay, it's hovering. What is that? Let's take helicopter. A helicopter hovers in this way. Okay, in this way. It stays stationary in the air. A plane flies. Okay, planes cannot hover. But here, how the word is used means between 16 and 18, the temperature was hovering. But it means it was not. It was like going up and down, a bit, hovering between. Hope you're getting it, how it is used. Okay, now let us move forward now and see here. Yeah, between 16 and 18 Celsius for a month, the officer said the maximum temperature, however, has not dropped much as the days have been warmer and the mercury has been hovering around 28 degrees Celsius. So the word is mercury here. Mercury word, how it is used. Mercury is that element which is used to measure the temperature. It goes up and down. So they haven't said the temperature. They have said mercury. See, for example, you can say that the mercury dipped today below 15 degrees centigrade. They did not. They will never say temperature. They can say, of course, but instead of that, mercury is word. Another use of mercury is mercurial. A person who is short-tempered, who flies off his handle, is called as mercurial person. Do you have any mercurial person? Write down in the comments. Come on, write down in the comments. Mercurial person. I know one person who was really mercurial, where I was previously working, and we were so scared to even talk to him, and very, very kind of unpredictable behavior. Do you have someone like this? Write in the comment that my XYZ is mercurial, very mercurial person. Okay, in this way you will be able to use words. Hi guys, come on, don't watch the video. Write in the comments. Write in the comments. You can pause now, write in the comments, and again start the video. Okay, apart from November 27, when the maximum temperature was 22.9 degrees, the temperatures have always been at 29 degrees with a variation of 1 degree. That's not simple news. While minimum temperature is likely to dip further by 1 degrees in the next few days, the maximum temperature will remain the same. Meanwhile, the residents enjoyed the morning chill. Simple sentences are used here. They are double quote. If someone is saying something, it is used in double quote. Officer said, double quote. Again, what he's saying something. We are waiting for, someone is saying something, okay. We are waiting for the cold that Nashik is known for. The temperatures often drop to 5 to 7 degrees during, okay, I have to move. Yeah, okay, during the winter. However, the temperatures are hovering in double digits so far. Double digits, see how it is used. Instead of saying that 12 and 11, they say double digits. For example, Indian cricketers even could not reach the double digit number. They were all out under single digit. Okay, double digits, said Sanjay Patil, one of the residents of Nashik Road. Both of my kids are in primary school, class 4 and class 1st. Both have their school buses coming in at about 6:45 a.m. and 7:10. Tuesday, both were reluctant. Oh, reluctant means, oh, no, I don't want to come out of bed. And I'm shooting this video morning, in morning actually. And the same thing happened with me also. I did not come out of the bed. And let me tell you, I woke up late today actually. Sorry for this. Okay, reluctant. Where we are, they were reluctant to come out of the bed. Yeah, if today this is the case, I wonder what will happen when the mercury drops further, said Gargi Shah, a businesswoman. See how many new words you got. Okay, how many new words you got? Have you seen that? Have you seen that? Isn't it amazing? So these are the news, guys, which you have to read and enjoy. And so many new words are there, but though they are new words for you, they are used in everyday conversation. So friends, next time, come on, reading is the key factor. You also start reading. Again, I will come with some better news analysis so that you can speak better and confident English and be a great communicator. My best wishes, stay with me, subscribe my channel, like my video if it is good, and your comments are very important. How do you think this analysis method is it helping you? Please write in the comments. Thank you, friends. Goodbye. Namaste.